luxury real estate, exotic cars, yachts, private planes, artwork, jewelry, watches are some assets fraudsters commonly buy with their illicit money. In a recent case, the Justice Department has recovered more than $53 million in cash and a promissory note worth $16 million that were the proceeds of foreign corruption offenses laundered through the United States. The illicit proceeds of over $100 million were then laundered through the United States to purchase luxury real estate in California and New York, as well as a 65-meter super yacht. The recovered assets were part of 2 civil cases seeking the forfeiture of various luxury assets. The Kleptocracy Asset Recovery Initiative, led by the Justice Department's Criminal Division's Money Laundering and Asset Recovery Section, in partnership with federal law enforcement agencies, investigated and prosecuted the cases. Kudos to the team for uncovering the fraud. However, tracing assets is an ordeal when investigators create financial models like flow of funds manually in Excel. Excel spreadsheets provide a massive amount of data. This makes them powerful but also makes it easy to miss patterns. Moreover, lawyers and juries are usually not as familiar with spreadsheets as investigators and accountants. ScanWriter takes this analysis one step beyond Excel by integrating process data with Power BI to generate visualizations of patterns, activities, and connections. This provides investigators with a way to simplify large amounts of financial information into easily understandable data. ScanWriter's visualization features come with pre-created models, such as the flow of funds model, which graphically illustrates the movement of funds and other aspects in various cases of money laundering. Power BI visualizations turn your data into coherent, visually immersive, and interactive insights that can be used to eloquently and persuasively support a case. Tools in the ScanWriter visualization library include nodes, arrows, line thickness, and question mark nodes. Nodes are used to create a flowchart of funds that shows connections between accounts. Each account is represented by a node, which includes an image, allowing you to quickly identify accounts in the chart. Arrows represent transactions between accounts. Outgoing transfers and payments are represented by outgoing arrows, while incoming transfers and deposits are represented by incoming arrows. The thickness of the line used to illustrate a link varies depending on the volume of funds transferred along that link. A thicker line represents a greater volume of funds, identifying the big players in the financial investigation. And finally, if you have important accounts in the statements but don't know anything about them, the node can be a question mark, indicating which accounts may require further investigation or which accounts do not have enough transactions to justify your investigative time. Thanks for watching. Contact us for an in-person demo of ScanWriter today.